Hello children, I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to start new chapter division, lesson 6 in mathematics. Now division you have already learned in form 2, but we are going to learn something more than you have learned in form 2. So let us start. Equal sharing or distribution. Now Yash has 4 friends and Yash's mother has given him 10 chocolates to distribute among his 4 friends including himself. So Yash has distributed all the chocolates, like he has given 2 chocolates to each of his friends and 2 for himself. Now here we can see no chocolates left. He has distributed among all the friends including himself. So if we divide or share equally 10 chocolates among 5 people, each of them gets 2 chocolates. We can write this as a division fact like number of toffees or chocolates is 10. Now this is a sign of division. So divided by 5 because there are 5 children. So number of boys or number of children are 5. And number of toffees each gets is 2. Right? Let us see another method. Division as forming equal groups. Here you can see we are forming equal groups. Let us take 15 apples and divide them into groups of 5 apples each. Right? So how many groups have we made? 3. Correct. And how many apples in each group? 5. We write the above division fact as total apples 15. Again I said this is the sign of division. So 15 divided by 5. Number of apples in each group is equal to 3. So numbers of groups are 3. Here we can see 3 groups and in each group there are 5 apples that we can see, right? So, the term we use in division facts are, here we can divide in this way also, that 15 divided by 5. So, in the table of 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. So, we have to write this 3 here and 15 you have to subtract from this number 15. So, 0. So, this 15 is called dividend. This is a sign of division. This is called divisor and this is called quotient. This is the third way to do division. Division as repeated subtraction. Anand has 8 pieces of chocolate pastries. There are some guests coming for dinner at his house. He gives 2 pastries to each guest. How many guests are there at his house? Now, he has given 2 pastries to the guests. So, 6 is left. So, chocolate pastries remaining after giving 2 pieces to the first guest. Now again he is given, out of 6 he is given 2. So how many pastries left? 4. Again he is giving this 2. So how many pastries left? 2. And he has given the remaining 2 and he is left with 0. So chocolate pastries remaining after giving 2 pieces to his 4th guest is 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So we can show how Anand distributed pastries to his guests as 8 minus 2 is equal to 6, 6 minus 2 is equal to 4, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 and 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So we can say 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. So as multiplication is repeated addition, division is repeated subtraction. This is the fourth way to do division. Division on a number line. We have just learned subtraction and I told you that as multiplication is repeated addition and division is repeated subtraction. In subtraction we have to do backward counting. Here we see number lines from 0 to 15. Now you have to backward count by 5 until you reach to 0. So you can see here 5, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many times you jump? 3 times. So we can say that 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. So number of skip counts. Now relation between multiplication and division. That is very important. You multiply to find the total number of dry fruit bowls. So 3, this is number of rows. And 4 is number of bowls in, number of chocolates in each row. So total number of chocolate balls are called product. So these both are called factors, number of rows or number of chocolate balls. They are called factors, but the answer is called product. Now you divide to find the number of dry fruit balls in each row. So total number of balls we should know, right? So total number of dry fruit balls are 12. This is called dividend. Now number of rows are called divisor and total balls in each row is called quotient. This is very important. You have to learn this. The total number of balls are called dividend. Total number is called dividend. The number which we dividing, this is called divisor and the answer is called quotient. So division is opposite of inverse of multiplication. You have to remember this. Division is opposite or inverse of multiplication. We have learned 4 ways to do division. Now let us learn properties of division, and that is very important. So let us learn dividing by 1. How many ones in 3? Clearly we can say 3 divided by 1 is equal to 3. So any number divided by 1 gives the same number. 10 divided by 1 is equal to 10. 71 divided by 1 is equal to 71. So I am repeating, any number divided by 1 gives the same number. Dividing by the number itself. Here you can see starfish in each group. So how many starfish in each group? We can say there is 1 starfish in each group. So 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. Number is dividing by itself. So here any number divided by itself is equal to 1. I am repeating, any number divided by itself is equal to 1. So 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. 10 divided by 10 is equal to 1. 22 divided by 22 is equal to 1. Dividing 0 by a number. Now 0 divided by 1 is equal to 0. Or we can say here like this, 0 divided by 1 is equal to 0. Or 0 divided by 5 is equal to 0. When you divide 0 by a number, the quotient is always 0. Quotient means answer. In division, answer is called quotient. So quotient will be always 0 when you divide 0 by a number. Dividing a number by 0. 5 divided by 0. Do you think is it possible? No, it is not possible. So when you have 0 as a divisor, the quotient is not defined. There is no answer, right? So you have to complete page number 90 in your textbook. Thank you and have a nice week ahead.